on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Well, it's one day at a time over here. I honestly don't even know if May is going quickly or if May is going slow.
Every day does kind of feel the same. Today we're out for our regular walk, as I think we are in pretty much every video, because that's about all we can do, but it's really, really important for us to get out, do something, go for a walk, get outside.
Basically just
enjoy the weather,
get outside our 500 square foot apartment.
So today on our walk we are at Dalhousie University. We'll tell you more about that in a bit, but in the meantime, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We've noticed that a lot of you guys are watching and not subscribing. Two other tasks for you. One is go follow us on Instagram. We do a lot of stories there. It's more real time. And also give us a like on the Facebook.
I love that she called it the Facebook, the Book of Faces. I'm just curious, do any of you even use Facebook anymore? We do a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Here and there, but I do want to thank all of you for coming into our live stream last Sunday. What a blast that was. There were hundreds of you in there with us for like an hour and a half.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun, and hopefully we'll do another one really soon.
Yeah, we just appreciate it, guys. We really appreciate it. Let's just talk about how beautiful this place is. The buildings are very old and they're made of this gorgeous stone. It has New England vibes. It reminds me of Boston in a way. There's also a clock tower here, and the grounds are incredibly green and so beautiful. The leaves are starting to come out. It's signs of spring. It's signs of hope.
So we've got some Dalhousie facts for you. One is that I graduated from here. So they have a combined degree between Dalhousie and the University of King's College, which is another very pretty campus, just sort of like a 5-minute walk that way. But some actual history for you. Dalhousie dates back to 1818, so it's been around quite a while. It's the largest university on the East Coast in Atlantic Canada. It's about 20,000 students.
So Dalhousie is a really good university. It's typically rated in the top 15 universities in all of Canada. And I would say it's likely the most well-known university in all of Nova Scotia, and it's especially well-known for international students.
So Trevor's just framing up the next shot, but you're going to notice something in a second. You guys probably noticed that I'm typically really, really short. I'm standing on a step. I like this.
She's taller than me right now, but we just wanted to quickly touch on one thing. So lately we've been getting comments from some of you guys just asking, like, why are we not traveling? Like, we're a travel channel, but we're stuck here. And some of you are mad and I think anyway, and have stopped following us here and there. And this is reality for us right now. I know some of the world is going back to normal, but we're on lockdown.
We are. Like, this is real right now for us. It's really weird to see people doing normal things like traveling and not wearing masks and that kind of thing. But here, things are not good. Really hope they improve soon. But yeah, this is definitely very much our reality at the moment.
So this is us right now. We ask you to try to stick with us. We are going to get back on the road eventually,
yes,
but
we will travel again.
We are not from the US. I know that country is getting there, but all the rest of the countries in the world, the whole 190 plus of them, are not. There's a lot of countries still struggling, just like Canada is, but hopefully, guys, hopefully in a few months we'll be back on the road. For now, we'll show you more of Halifax. So we just came over to the public gardens here right in the center of Halifax downtown. We've been coming here pretty much every day. It's a Groundhog Day.
We've kind of been rotating between here, Point Pleasant Park, and then sitting on sitting on Citadel Hill. There's just kind of a rotation of each one, and it's nice because every time we come to the park or come to the gardens, which is probably every 3-ish days, some more stuff is coming out. So that's nice to see.
We kind of think of it as our own giant garden. We're so proud of it.
So we share with a whole bunch of other people.
This is honestly the most we've ever been here. It's strange to come here every single day. I think last year I came here twice the whole summer.
So if you're coming to the gardens and you want to sit down on the grass, you have to know that there is only one area. It's rather big, but just one spot. If you go anywhere else, you will be asked to move. Kind of unfortunate today because there's a guy mowing pretty much right beside us, and he's been waiting a good 15 minutes for him to leave. leave. So I don't think that's going to happen. Also a saw in the other direction, so you might hear some annoying background noise. So we've been trying to do as many picnics as we possibly can, especially on these really nice days. We just went over to Pete's Fine Foods, which is a grocery store just a couple blocks from here, but they also have like ready-made foods, and you can get sandwiches and that kind of thing, which I did. Going for a ham and Swiss melt. Let's try this. It was hot. We've been walking around for a while, but it's still a little bit warm.
It's a good day for a sandwich in a park, I would say.
Yummy. That is so delicious. I'm actually loving mustard at the moment. I always really like mustard, but I just feel like I'm in a total mustard mood lately. We actually went to Pete's a couple weeks ago and got this spicy mustard that I think both of us have been eating pretty much every day. It's so good.
All right, I went ahead and got some sushi. What's better than sushi in a park? I think this spicy salmon, maybe a California roll, and a spicy tuna. So I'm just gonna go for this. Dip it in the soy sauce here. I wish there was like a container for this. It's kind of messy. I'll try not to drop it, but and not get it on my pants. Oh yeah, baby. You can't beat sushi. I think sushi might be my favorite food. I don't know, I don't eat it enough. This is from like a boutique grocer, and it's really, really fresh. The salmon is very fresh. Crispy bits on it make it because the salmon's kind of creamy, it goes down easy. You got the rice, soy sauce, and I put wasabi in the soy sauce as well. You kind of have to do that if you eat sushi. It's so good, you guys. Okay, here we go, round two. I'm gonna quickly try the California roll. I don't normally, you guys would have heard me say this before, I don't normally go for like shellfish, and there's crab in this one, so. Oh yeah, this one's really good as well. There's some avocado in there and cucumber, and the crab is nice and cold, kind of just pops in your mouth, bursts really quick, with that soy sauce, like I said, and the wasabi. So good. This day is turning out to be all right. Sushi in a park. I have to put this on my list to do more often. Sushi in a park on lockdown.
So since every day feels like Groundhog Day, like Trevor said, every day just feels the same. We don't really have anything to look forward to. We wake up in the morning and we wonder like, where will we walk to today? That's the big thing. If we can go outside, if it's rainy, if the weather's nice, that kind of thing. It really means that food ends up being a huge focus. Maybe that's not a good thing, but it ends up being a huge focus of the day. What are we going to eat for lunch? What are we going to have for supper? Trying to eat healthy, but also things that we really enjoy, just because it is something that we really do look forward to.
All right, we thought it'd be a good time to do a weekly mental health check-in. We've been doing it so far. We are, I think, over halfway of the lockdown, hopefully, if it does end June 1st. It's not looking like it. If you're wondering, cases are not really going down so far. I mean, by the time this video comes out, hopefully. But
we keep saying that. We keep saying that. It's not happening.
They're still in the triple digits, so I am hoping that it goes down to the double digits soon. But yeah, the end is in sight, but I don't know. I'm just in the groove now. Are you?
Yeah, I guess it's still just like kind of boring, I guess is maybe the right word.
That's a good
and
word.
It's really like, there's nothing to look forward to. Like, I just don't think about tomorrow,
Nope.
what I'm gonna do, because really, what's the point?
Nope.
So it's really just like living it day by day, waking up in the morning, figuring out what the weather's gonna be like. If the weather's crappy, I usually feel a lot worse.
I know.
I find it a lot harder. Thankfully, right now, the forecast looks pretty good for the next few days.
It does.
Filming this towards the end of the week. The weekend is looking really nice.
We'll probably be outside more because of that. And like Anna, I think we said before, like we're trying to plan out meals a little more, do less trips to grocery stores. Even if we're getting beer or cider or wine, we're trying to go, like one of us just goes and gets a whole bunch.
Yeah, you're only supposed to send one person per household into a store. So
if any of you are watching here in Halifax or anywhere, wherever you're watching in the world and you're still locked down, we're sick of it too. It's okay to not be okay with it, but we're getting by. We're hoping you're liking the videos. It's giving us something to do, honestly.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, so far so good being halfway done with all this. Why is there so many pigeons here?
I guess all the pigeons in Halifax have got together. They are not very good at social distancing here.
No, not at all. Look at this. Guys, what are you all doing here? It's probably the most I've ever seen in one spot.
Yes, we came over to this park, gonna have an iced coffee. Sadly, didn't do a very good job of supporting local, but it was not our fault. Pretty much all the coffee shops around here seem to close at like 2 or 3 o'clock, so we went to Starbucks.
That's all we have.
What do you do?
Everyone closes early, or sadly some places have shut down.
Yeah.
So earlier today we noticed one of the fountains are on here in the city. Now I don't know if they're all on, but the ones in the gardens.
One in the gardens was not. So.
Yeah, we were going to show you, but we'll see if we can get a seat up here by it and show you how nice it is.
Did you guys recall us saying in a recent video how all of our fountains in the city are blocked off by fences? This is what we're talking about. It's really weird.
Yeah, we've never seen another city that does this either, like
I know,
fences.
and a bunch of people responded in comments for saying there was various reasons for it. Ours being that they think everyone's going to drown. Someone said that people go in and steal the money out of it. Still, it's like, why do other cities not have to deal with this when it's ourselves?
Well, we got one of the best seats in the house here. You guys may have noticed if you're watching this video that it's a little busier out today anyway than the day we were out walking around Halifax, which was a really kind of stormy day. This is a good contrast to that. When it's nice out, there are more people around, but everybody's respectful. Like there's social distancing, things like that. So yeah, everyone's just trying to get through this, you know? That's how it goes. But I think right now we're gonna take you guys back and we're gonna do a little cooking. Do you hear that? We got some good music on. We got some jazz music happening. I put it on. We got some wine. This is a Tempranillo.
Tempranillo, I believe, yeah, from Spain. We've been doing this a lot lately. Just cooking dinner, listening to some jazz, having some wine.
That's what I like. We do have a little bit of good news. I mean, potentially good news with as far as vaccines go.
So we have appointments coming up very, very soon. So in the next couple of weeks, you'll probably see a video about it. But we're gonna get our first shots.
Which arm are you gonna do? I don't know which arm.
Left.
Left?
Yes.
Why left?
Because I'm right-handed.
Oh, right. I never really thought about this. Yeah, so I guess it depends. I mean, a lot of people are fine after they get a shot, but yeah,
But sometimes your arm is sore, so go for the
maybe
left.
I will do a left as well. We'll get on the wine here.
I'll show you what we're cooking.
We'll show you what we're cooking. It'll be a very condensed version of the cooking series in the past, but if you guys want more cooking videos, you let us know right now. Comment below.
So tonight we are making a tofu rice bowl, I guess it would be. Got a bunch of veggies ready to go in the pan in a second. Some peanut sauce to go on top, which is gonna be so delicious. As I said, we make this quite frequently. Made it once a few weeks ago and now we're kind of addicted to it. But in the meantime, while we're waiting for the pan to heat up, can I point out, or did you guys even notice that we look very similar, Trevor and I, to at the moment? I was actually wearing this today, so he's the copycat, but black shirts and then like gray sweatpants.
I think I chose the outfit first.
No, I don't think so.
What do they say about these kind of
Yeah,
couples?
is there a saying about couples that dress alike?
We get along well, I think.
All right, we got our veggies pretty much ready there, and we got some peppers, onions, and some water chestnuts going on. Our rice is pretty much ready. I have tofu ready to go in the oven. It's basically like firm tofu that you mix with cornstarch and then cook in the oven for like 20 minutes. That's gonna go in there. I'm burning myself.
Definitely don't burn yourself.
Yeah.
We also have, I think back here, there's some rice.
Yeah, I did mention it.
You mentioned the rice, but I'll
Yeah.
show you. So I don't know how
It's some brown
it's gonna be
rice.
blown out a bit, but it's some brown rice. You can
Be careful
hear
of that pan. It's hot.
hands hot. Veggies are sizzling.
All right, so we got sauce here that's gonna go in.
Ooh.
So that's peanut butter, sriracha, there's ginger in there, tamari, rice vinegar, a little honey.
Sign me up. Can I
sweeten
just
it
drink
up.
that right out of that jar?
No.
Oh wow, look at this. This looks intense. The first thing I see is the cilantro.
Yes, we put cilantro pretty much on top of everything that it's appropriate for.
Are you team cilantro or not? Look at this dish.
Mm-hmm.
This looks like peanut butter, spicy goodness full of veggies, right?
Yeah, pretty healthy.
Maybe
Not
we'll
too bad.
give it a quick try here.
Sure.
We're about to watch some shows, and now we are curious if you guys are watching these.
Yeah, so I think the last time we checked in with you guys, we were watching Yellowstone.
Mm-hmm.
So we finished up season 3, so we're basically caught up. And now we started watching Mayor of Easttown.
Mm-hmm.
We're on episode 3, so that's Kate Winslet. Really, really good.
Are you watching Mayor of Easttown? Let us know below. Also, we started, and I'm so stoked at this one, Raised by Wolves. What a show so far. So many of you have recommended this to us, and it is crazy good.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it is intense. It's giving us Battlestar vibes.
Ooh.
Battlestar Galactica vibes. For all you people that watch.
We never really talked about that, but yeah, I totally get that.
No, but I get that vibe. So let's talk about what's in this guy right here. So the first thing I taste is that peanut butter and that spicy goodness. We got lots of veggies, lots of cilantro. It's creamy, it's rich, and it's just, there's like the perfect amount of flavor for a healthy dish.
Yeah, and by the way, I will leave the recipe for the tofu and for the sauce down below. It's one recipe, and then we just kind of add our own veggies and the rice to it.
Yeah, so if you guys want to make it, let us know. And if you want more cooking videos, definitely let us know down in the comments below. I think it's safe to say we're going to do one maybe in the next live video we do.
It would be fun to do one live, yeah.
We've only done one.
So we can crack under the pressure of trying to cook and do a live video at the same time.
That would be hard to do. I don't know how we do it because there's questions coming in and comments, but we're up for the challenge. What else are we going to do? We're locked down. We're in Halifax. If you got this far, I'm Trevor. This is Hannah. We're the Delightful Travelers. Click on the thumbs up button that helps us out. Leave us a comment below. Share the video. That's the ultimate way to help out. And we just want to say thank you for all of you who support the channel by watching, and extra thanks for all of you Patreons and channel members out there. It means a lot to us that you guys do that, and all the super chats we got from the last video. Extra thanks to you guys. You guys are like the most delightful folks. You're all delightful, but you know what I'm saying. Okay.
But you're the best.
Let's end it. We gotta eat this.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's it.
From Halifax and Nova Scotia, wishing you all delightful travels.
I thought you were gonna say I'm not a safe and healthy quarantine.
Oh right, jeez, we're not traveling yet. And well, okay, let's do it again.
All right, guys, that's it.
From Halifax in Nova Scotia, wishing you all delightful travels in a safe and healthy quarantine. We're so mixed up again. It's like we're back a year ago, but you know what we're saying.
See you soon.